Hey guys, this is the Envirofan goldline at a fireworks shop. That thing's on medium right now. Looks like it's on low, but this thing needs to get a new capacitor. I'm gonna take a little trim there. There it goes. I'll consider that medium. Wind's gonna be blowing in here, guys.
Pretty good, right? You definitely want the neon one though, right?
Yeah, I want it from the front. $100.
This is my first.
What is it ghost
This is the
logo
first
like?
industrial
What is
fan
it?
I'm filming. So, that's the first. That's my childhood fan. I've seen these in my elementary
Ghost
school.
one has like a scary face at the very end.
All right. Put
The
extreme.
sour apple looks really good too.
Oh, you see the sour apple after this?
It'd be going crazy on high if we had that new capacitor. I could replace the capacitor. Although I'm really smart. Seems a little buzzy because it's on the variable. We'll take it low. I didn't get to film low yet. Definitely gonna stall out. Yeah, it was almost stopping when I filmed it on low. This is literally like the low speed on medium. Feel like that. Alright, yeah, for real purpose. Should be medium here. This fan needs to get cleaned.
So the face is starting to light up.
Here, the bearings.
It looks like it was floating out for a second.
Maybe this might be a
I want to
bigger.
try the sour apple.
Wait, see this one first.
Oh, me and Marco tried the one that the goat. I don't know about that.
I've seen a lot of places that had variable speed.
Not yet. Hold on. Not at all.
Are you sure it's not ready? Oh. Where do I scan for this one?
Just gotta take a walk through the spin down.
Where do I scan for this one?
I don't know where to sit. Gotta go sit somewhere. Either maybe on my dad's car.
The crazy part began.
Right.
You guys ready?
Oh, ready there.
We're ready. Ready or not, here we come.
That's right.
I was blinking around on this trying to remember myself because
Gosh, it's
after
dirty.
all, you should know what you do before you try to teach it to somebody else.
It may take forever to spin
I don't
down.
work with this like you do, but there we go. Push it and turn it on the register. Blink around with the brush. With the yellow. Yellow, with the yellow.
Might tell him to get a new gold line. They still make these.
You can go in and take off stuff. Yeah, you can go in and take stuff off. Sometimes I don't know if it takes all the tabs off.
I like it.
Yeah, that's great.
Because it looks better
Lights are messed up.
when fireworks stuff.
Like I said, this fan is dirty. Usually I can only like film for 10 minutes because I don't have my phone number verified on YouTube. But we're just gonna show this. It's been done on part 2. But we're gonna get there until the recording's been 10 minutes. I'm in the public.
I hate to say it that way.
No, right now, just looking. Got a bunch of different stuff the last time I was here.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of new stuff in here.
Gosh. I'll show you that it's labeled Envirofan.
Turn on and hold this button. Like that.
Yep. It's labeled.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Everything's the same as last year, but it's like.
These flashes are missing.
Yeah, I know. You're the salesman. She's the register. I'm the stalker. Stalkers? No, I'll remember that. You're the stalker. Okay. Who's he stalking?
I'm in a fireworks show, and that's just like the preview video. You know why people like talking.
I was gonna say, I think you helped. Yeah.
We're just getting everything, checking it out. Thank you.
Well, it seems to work out.
Saying buy one, get one free. One.
You're gonna see it.
These are artillery shells right here. Here.
Okay.
I will film 0
So
to
you buy one, get one free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully it doesn't
Thank you.
seamless.
You're welcome. You can mix the nuts on those.
I didn't change it.
Okay.
It's about to be stopped and see.
No. Okay. Yeah, skip all this. If it's asking about passcode, I'll show you. Just skip it.
There. 0 to high.
Oh, yeah, Maria.
Right here, kind of hurt. It's kind of touchy. If you don't hold it long enough and pull away too soon, that's not going to work good. If you hold it too long, I still have it. Or you can stick it in here. But if it's a wavy one, it does better if you wave, hold it up here. And then lastly, there's a strip under here, but I don't use that to usually it doesn't work here.
Actually,
Variable sweet causes it to be buzzy.
let's see something smaller first. That's fine.
That's how fast it goes. Same needs a new pass.
Hi, guys.